Hi guys, today I will make a beautiful project obstacle avoiding car. Fast off. All I need many components like Arduino, gear motor, wheel, battery, servo motor, ultrasonic sensor and one cardboard. No, I will fix this components in this cardboard properly using glue.
एक चूक काटे वो बहुत जरूरी है।
Blue. Then I will connect motor driver to Arduino. Connection diagram. Follow motor driver in 1 to connect Arduino pin number 7 and IN26. Then I will connect Indiana 3, Arduino pin number 5 and finally Indiana 4. Connect Arduino pin number 4. Then I will supply 12 volt in motor driver and then give a power supply in Arduino and motor driver. Then mini servo connect signal pin Arduino pin I0REF, and proper given power supply in a servo and ultrasonic sensor echo pin 8 no and trig pin 9 number Arduino. Then complete this project properly. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share your engineering friends. And any questions for me then you comment in this video then I will answer. And last thank you.